Meaning of Hakka.
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 Hakka. Hakka refers to both the people and the language of a Chinese ethnic group with a population of around 80 million worldwide. The word Hakka means guest family in Chinese, suggesting that the Hakka people are migrants or refugees who have resettled in different parts of China throughout history. The Hakka language is a distinct dialect within the larger Chinese language family, known for its unique tonal patterns and vocabulary. Today, the Hakka people have a rich cultural heritage and unique traditions, including martial arts, cuisine, and music.